Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache and cookies on your iPhone. So make sure you stay to the end of the video so you don't miss any important steps, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is we go to the settings option, just press on settings and scroll down until you see Safari. Press on Safari and then scroll all the way down until you see the option Clear History and Website Data. So if you press that one, it will remove history, cookies and other browsing data. History will be cleared from devices signed into your iCloud account. So it also will probably delete some passwords or that you have saved up, but also the cookies and cache that you want to delete. So if you want to delete that, just clear history and data, press on this one again, and then keep tabs or close tabs. Now if you want to close them all, close it, and then after this one is not turned blue again, then you know it has worked. So this is how to clear your cache and cookies on your iPhone.